girlies, we're here with Nadula hair, and girl, no lace spread and no mountain band today in this video. This is what underneath of the wig is going to look like. I took some of my flat twists out and created two base braid, anchor braids, whatever you want to call it. My hair is supposed to look like this, but it's dirty. My hair needs to be washed. So I just brushed everything down flat in the back. Y'all can tell by how I'm prepping underneath my wig that we are going to install a freaking V-part wig. Y'all know Thanksgiving's coming up, like Friday's coming up, and also Christmas, and I need something quick to get me through these holidays. Plus, I'm looking for something for my beginners and the girls who do not like lace fronts at all. This is for you. We're heading over to Nadula Hair. They are the only company that I get my U-part wigs or V-part wigs from. Girl, do you see this? Where the tracks at? Their old construction, you could always see them tracks. Now they covered it up, so if we go outside and it's windy, baby, you're not gonna see nothing because y'all see how flat it is. So as you guys can see, straight out the pack, it's a Yaki straight texture. This is gonna go perfect with my hair. I love, love, love this color combo. It fades from like a 1B to like this pretty golden chestnut brown, y'all. It's very subtle. I love it. So this is going to be a comb only install. This is why it's gonna be super quick to do it. So this is the overall construction of the unit, and it's combs all over. It's security all over this wig. You don't have to worry about your wig going anywhere. Also big head friendly. It can adjust to any head shape or head size. Okay, look at all the security, elastic band and the drawstring. Now with the drawstring, you need to lock your drawstring in. Okay, if you do not, it will come loose. And like I said, I showed you guys here, I just pulled it down without latching it in so it does not move. Let me show you guys what you're supposed to do. So after you adjust it to your head size, take this little bead and latch it all the way down. This is going to ensure when you are moving, it does not come undone and loosen up. So the leave out is probably the only bit of work you have to do, but that's nothing compared to doing a full lace wig install, okay? I went ahead and washed and conditioned my hair quickly, and girl, when I tell you my hair is dirty still. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put some super skinny serum in by Paul Mitchell to protect my hair from that heat, and it also helps with frizz. Going in with my Revlon One Step Blow Dryer. When I tell you guys I'm obsessed with this thing, I've gotten this years ago and still use it, and this is the only thing I use on my natural hair because it cuts my blow drying time in half. Compared to a traditional blow dryer where you got to use the brush and all this other stuff, it already got the brush on this thing. It is gonna change your life. I couldn't even wait to finish blow drying the leave out to install the wig. So I'm like, let's just do it now. It's going to take under a minute anyway. So I just opened up the combs and secured it to the braids. This is why the braids are crucial because you need somewhere for the wig to sit. Okay. Look at how good this looks. This is what I was waiting for. Y'all see that? Y'all see it's giving invisible part, but times 2000. It looks extremely good. And it definitely solved the issue for if your hair is blowing in the wind and you would be seeing tracks. Like, you're just going to see hair. So ain't nobody gonna know it's not your real hair unless you don't blend that leave-in in right. Anyway, y'all, look how beautiful this hair is. Look at the color combo. This is gonna eat down for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for any type of holiday. Look at it, and it's subtle. Don't play with it. This hair holds up great even after washing it. This is actually my second time installing it because the first time I installed it, I had to use my backup camera because I couldn't see myself on my main camera because it broke. But I ended up switching back over to this quality because I could not with that quality. It was terrible. But y'all, can y'all believe I filmed this whole video not being able to see myself? I didn't even know if I was in focus. I'm going in with my gummy wax to do some baby hairs because y'all know I need some baby hairs. I didn't put too much of that product on them because literally I was going to wash my hair correctly after this video. So my hair did get a little bit of poofy. We not even going to mind that. Y'all, I already told y'all my hair is not heat trained. So it's trying to revert back into its natural state already. Just white man, okay? But we're trying to get this leave out super sleek, so I'm just going in with that wax. I'm following up with my hot comb to do my roots. Y'all, when the amount of times I tell you guys I keep forgetting that this is not no lace front. The amount of times I burnt my actual scalp because I'm so used to having lace fronts on my head. Girl, I was up there burning my dang scalp. The delusion is real. But anyway, y'all, I'm just going in to blend out my leave out with the unit. And look how flawless it's blended out. First of all, it's important that you get the right texture of hair that matches your wig, okay? Because this is what's gonna make it look flawless, like you grew inches overnight. Come on, girl. Look at how beautiful that is. Now, like I said, my hair is oily. Okay, it's got a lot of oils in there, so it is shinier than the actual wig itself. But guess what? If I had some oil sheen, I would just spray it in the wig to match my hair right now, okay? So you can do that as well if you feel like your hair is, you know, a little bit more shinier than the wig. Just get some hair sheen. So I'm brushing everything in. Look how good this looks. I'm super excited, y'all. Y'all see that? And look at me putting that little bump. I love how natural. Y'all, I'm obsessed, okay? Let me not run my mouth. Let me be quiet so y'all can watch this little part. So this is how it turned out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is freaking beautiful. Look at this. It looked like I grew that. I wish my hair was actually this thick and as long. Lastly, I decided to try to style it. Y'all, when I tell y'all I was running out of time, I was running out of time because I had to be somewhere and I had to rush this part. So I didn't get to show you guys what it looked like after I finished curling it or me combing it out. So the ending you're going to see is going to be like an hour and some change later, and the curls fell and my hair was a little bit frizzy. But it is what it is. When I tell you I have not been more impressed with a V-part wig yet, this is their best one. You know, as the years go on, the wigs just get better and better, and I'm just overall impressed with the color of the wig, the new construction of it, how flat it lays. We don't see no tracks. I'm telling you girls, you need it, and plus it's affordable, so don't even, okay? But my girls who hate lace fronts, if you don't get this, honey, I didn't put you on already. I didn't told you what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's install. I know I did. I will link everything in the description section below. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.